Right, you see that magpie down there? He is eating a chick that he's just grabbed out of the nest. I don't even know what chicks are doing in nests this time of year, but nature's all confused, isn't it? And there is chicks in nests. And the magpies are eating them. There's a couple of piles of feathers on the garden, and I don't know if they... Look like he's going to go and get some water to go with it. Right, he dips it in there with the meat. Been doing this for a while. He's off now. Go and have a look at what he's done. Not sure what that was. It's a chick though, isn't it, at the nest? Right, this is more evidence from yesterday. All these feathers. And there was another pile over here, but most of them have gone. So that's like three kills in 3 days from this magpie.